Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to our lecturer, which Mr. Muhammad Adil bin Mukti. So first of all, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad DZULSHAHRIL bin DZULKHAIRI. My number matrix is 01DDT21F1023. And my partner.
My name is Muhammad Hariz bin ZAHRULLAIL and my matric number is 01DT2F1029.
So for our introduction of case study 2 is Amazon Elastic Volume enables us to then dynamically modify the size, performance and volume type of our Amazon ABS volume without detach in them. Assuming you have an EC2 instance as a web server with 8 GB storage capacity, as the file store in your server keep getting bigger, your current storage capacity cannot accommodate all of those files. You, as a network engineer, have been tasked to expand the storage of your server to 20 gig without any downtime. So for our case study 2, the task is we have to expand our server to 20 gig. So the first part is launch your server. So the first step is log into AWS account. So first you just enter the Gmail and the password. And then step 2, go to the EC2 dashboard and click launch instance. And step 3, fill instance form below to create as instance server. Just create the instance. And then step 4, just choose the Amazon Linux with 2MI. The next step. So the next step is select the T2.micro that provide free tier eligible. So for step 6, create a new key pair as credential info for root to access. So step 7, select security group that have been created. So step 8, you configure the storage as 8 gig, which is default. So step 9, click launch instant to execute the server. Next, I'm gonna pass our presentation to Encik Muhammad Hariz.
Thank you to my brother for welcoming. Now let's jump for the storage expansion for instance server that we have. So for this task, we have to expand your server from the 8 GB to the 20 GB capacity without any downtime. And make sure to extend your server file system to a new storage capacity, and we have to verify the expansion of the storage on the file system. So for the step 1, go to the Elastic Wood Store and expand it. Click for the volume, which is have our volume in instance. And step 2, right click at the instance volume that we have and modify the volume. For the step 3, change 8 GB to 20 GB based on task requirement and click modify. After that, you can see about the difference before and after. Now the size of the current storage are increased to 20 GB. And for the step 4, we have to go back to the instance and click connect to connect the server access. So for this method, I choose the SSH client as my way or method to access for the root. Step 5, I go to the instance server with the access and use command lsblk to look up for EBS size and volume. And then after we have defined the root and partition that I have, I put a command grow path /tf /svda space 1 to expand the current storage. This allocate for the storage that we have or want to expand it. So now for the current size of a partition increased to 20 GB. Use the command lsblk to review back the changement that we have before And then for the last but the least, we have a command df minus h, which is that will tell us about the partition or the volume that we change. So I think that's all for our group. Thank you.